Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The World of Literature. I'm Dr. Farzana Ali, retired as Associate Professor of English. This is my first video, and this video is especially for students and teachers of English and also for those who wish to pursue their research in English literature. Today, I will speak on partition literature. In this video, I will cover two topics: what is partition literature and what areas of study are included in partition literature. The next videos will be in detail about the other topics of partition literature. Now, what is partition literature? Let me begin by giving a brief account of partition. Partition of Indian subcontinent is an unforgettable event in Indian history. It caused not only geographical dislocation into India and Pakistan but also total disintegration of lives of millions of people. The tragic effect of partition was manifested in the form of bloody violence, leaving millions of people dead and homeless. People boarded the trains thinking they would be transported to the land of their dreams, but not a man, woman, or child survived the journey. The dimension of partition was so immense that it turned the writers repeatedly to depict the tragic experience of partition. Now, what is partition literature? Partition literature is that literature which deals with the literary works of authors who wrote about violence of partition, the pain of partition, suffering, trauma, migration, loss, and displacement. There are many writers of partition literature who has written novels on partition. For example, to name a few, Khushwant Singh's Train to Pakistan is a true depiction of the violence of partition. Atiya Hussein's Sunlight on a Broken Column deals with the grim reality of partition and trauma of disintegrated family of brothers. One who is leaving for Pakistan in search of new opportunities and other who prefers to live in India. Amrita Pritam, her novel Pinjar is a story of Hindu girl abducted by a Muslim man. It shows how male violence is enacted through rape, murder, and abduction. In line, you have Shauna Singh Baldwin's What the Body Remembers. It tells the story of a Sikh family and focus on how the male violence is enacted through murder. Then the other remarkable ones are Salman Rushdie, Sadat Hussain Monto, Chaman Nahal, Bapsi Sidhwa, etc. Now, we know that partition literature encompasses a large area of study. It can be studied from different perspectives. So, the second topic is what areas of study are included in partition literature. Partition literature can be studied from historical and political context. This includes the history and the political causes of division of India and Pakistan. Then the other topics can be partition holocaust, the mass migration, displacement, loss of home, abduction, rape of women, the trauma, suffering. All these topics can be studied in partition literature. Further, fiction, short stories, films on partition can also be studied from different perspectives. So, friends, thank you for patient hearing. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.